really close to my house. It's a waterfall, and it has been raining a lot recently, so hopefully it's not dry. I'm gonna hit Target or Walmart or somewhere first. I'm probably gonna go to Target because I hate the Walmart by my house, so I just wanted to vlog this because nobody's going with me. I asked people. They're all out of town though, and my husband doesn't like doing outdoors things, so I'm not gonna force him to go on an hour car trip. My charger, got it. So now it's time to head out. First stop is gas. I really need gas, so we're heading to the gas station because I have to go into town anyways. Got a Starbucks to start the day off right, or midday. I think this is 1 o'clock. I'm on the granola aisle. Show off those crunchy bars. So I don't know if you've ever tried to find a nut-free granola bar or granola in general. They're very hard to come by. Target usually has better options than Walmart when it comes to allergy-friendly foods, but I had no such luck here today. In fact, I read labels. Check it out. Oh, no. Put that back, girl. It has allergens that you cannot eat in it. We put it back on the shelf because processed in a factory with peanuts, so put that away. Going into an anaphylactic reaction by yourself doesn't sound like fun. It's very anxiety inducing, so I was really trying to find a alternative granola snack that was nut free in this moment, and I couldn't find it. Now to put in the address so I can go. Target only took me an hour. Alright, we're on our way. That was a bust. The freaking lake is closed. So now we're just gonna drive home. Okay, so just got there for our snack. Up to this moment, there have been lots of unforeseen circumstances, but I made it to the waterfall. So that's cool. It's mostly shaded. There's so much poison ivy. I'm not gonna go down there. It's hot and there are way too many people to swim, so yay. So this was a pretty fun-ish trip, other than the fact that I got stuck. I got to see the waterfall. I thought it was closed. Just really nice people helped me out. It's like there were still decent people, so just to let them know. Not everybody's trying to murder me. Alright, well, I will update you when I get home. Obviously, it's a lot later, like a month later, but I really like taking people on my little adventures that I do by myself because I like sharing it. And yeah, stuff happens, you get stuck, and not everybody's trying to murder you. I figured that out this weekend. Nobody had to stop and help me, but they did. And that was fantastic of them. I thank them so much. Those people were amazing. In fact, the guy that pulled me out was like, hey, the waterfall isn't closed, just go up the road, take a right at the next intersection thing, because it's not really an intersection, it's like pulling off the road. And that's how I made it to the waterfall, because the place that Google Maps took me to was closed. The gate was closed. And so with that, I bid you adieu. Thank you so much for watching and coming along with me. Bye.